Concrete is a material that is widely used in every corner of the world. And seeing as cement is one of the main components of concrete, vast quantities of it are constantly being produced. For each ton of cement, almost 1 ton of CO2 pollutes the atmosphere. Mr. N Rao, Director for Energy and Environment at ACC, India's largest cement producer, visited the GRE site in Gusing last week, and he is convinced that GRE gasification is one of the most promising solutions to transitioning from fossil fuel to renewable energy.
I'm quite impressed with my visit, and I found definitely this is the state-of-the-art technology in terms of gasification of the biomass, and I'm definitely sure that this is going to create a lot of value to the customers in terms of energy efficiency. The CO2 emissions come from the cement manufacturing is, if you say, approximately 250 million tons of cement production, and for every ton of cement, Indian cement industry produces close to 700 kgs of CO2 per ton of cement. But my company, which is the lowest CO2 emitter in India, and our CO2 emissions are 538 kgs per ton of cement. And we have a long program to reduce our CO2 emissions further and try to bring it down to the values around 300 kgs in the next 20 years. And part of this journey is that we would like to run our cement plants fully with the green energy, not with the coal-based power generation. And in that particular, our long-term vision, now we came here to see the gasifier in Austria. You know that we have a very large population in India, and we have a large amount of the waste which is produced in cities and villages and different places. This urban waste which is being produced, and all the domestic waste, plus the industrial waste and the biomass. And the Gusing gasifier had the potential to use all sorts of waste materials, and we can save large amount of fossil fuel coal, and in the process that the Indian natural resources can be saved for the future. And we can also clean the environment and also use all recycled materials for the manufacturing of cement, both for the power generation and cement manufacturing.